How to fix Instagram showing the same reels. If you've been using Instagram recently and noticed that it's showing you the same reels over and over, don't worry, you're not alone. In today's video, I'll show you some simple fixes to get your Instagram reels feed back to normal. So let's get started. First things first, open your Instagram account and make sure you're logged in to your account. First, let's start with the easiest fix, refreshing your feed. If your reels are repeating, it might just be a temporary glitch. Try pulling down on your Instagram home feed to refresh it. This can sometimes reset things and show you fresh content. Another common reason Instagram keeps showing the same reels could be a weak internet connection. Check your Wi-Fi or mobile data to make sure you have a stable connection. Try switching to a different Wi-Fi network or turning on your mobile data to see if that helps. Next up, if you have an Android device, you can simply clear Instagram's cache. To do that, what you can do is open your phone settings, tap on apps, find Instagram and tap stories. Here you can clear the cache. This can help fix any bugs that might be causing your feed to act up. Just be aware that clearing the cache won't log you out of Instagram, it just removes temporary files. Now, if you're still seeing the same reels after refreshing and checking your connection, it might be time to update the app. Sometimes these issues happen because of bugs that are fixed in new app updates. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store, simply search for Instagram. And if there's an update available, simply update it. Another thing you can do is adjust your Instagram interest. Instagram uses the activity like what you like, comment on, and watch to recommend reels. If you've been watching similar reels, it might keep showing you the same ones. So try resetting your preferences. Just go through your reels and start liking or engaging with different types of content. Follow new accounts that post about topics you enjoy but haven't interacted with before. And that's it. These are the steps to fix Instagram showing you the same reels.